I guess they figured because last weekend was Canadian Thanksgiving, it's safe to be seen in the neighborhood again.
I'm old. I'm puzzled. And I'm only able to change one of those.
Since the shores of Lake Huron are on the migratory paths of many bird species, I've seen a lot of Canada geese stopping by in this area. And to celebrate this fact, I'm going to complete 3 bird-themed jigsaw puzzles. The first is a 500-piece jigsaw puzzle from Cobble Hill entitled Notable Woodpeckers of North America by artist Susan Bourdet. The second is also from Cobble Hill. It is a 500-piece jigsaw puzzle entitled Great Blue Heron by painter Robert Bateman. The third puzzle is a 500-piece jigsaw puzzle from Indigenous art and is entitled Tie-Dye Owl by artist Angela Kimble. So let's do this.
So thanks for watching the video. Also in the comments is a link to my Buy Me a Coffee page if you'd like to support this channel.
and subscribe to this channel to see what other nonsense I can get up to. Because, I'm old, I'm bored, and I'm only able to change one of those.